Alright, YouTube. It's my first ever unboxing of a sneaker. As you can see, they're Jordans. Air Jordan 14 Retro, Wolf Gray, Blue, and some other type of gray and white. I think it's cool gray. But let's open the box. Receipt. Tissue paper. This is my first ever pair of retro 14s that I've ever purchased. And as you can see, got that blue Ferrari with the Ferrari symbol. I like that tire tread back there. It's just something about that gray and blue that caught my eye. And I'm sort of starting to like these 14s. I didn't know they was as comfortable as they was. I like that leather right there. And let me show you the air vents if I can get a good picture of the vents. Vents right there. Got a little blue on the back. Just a plain shoe. Stylish. Got the blue in the toe with the two different types of material on there. It's my first ever unboxing, so I just thought I'd shoot a quick little video. Let everybody take a look. I know you probably not seen many of these, but I just thought I'd start showing sneakers as I buy them. Try to give me a couple subscribers. Oh, right there, got a little issue right there. But overall, she was made pretty good. Alright, thank y'all for viewing. I got a pair of Nike IDs coming, Kobe Elites. I will post a quick little review of them too when they come in. Holla.